I'm doing this multi-level print right here, and I've let it go for a couple hours right now, and I just checked back on it. I just want to kind of show you what can happen when you're using multiple colors where it comes to the AMS. Why it's really important to actually just keep an eye on it, because you just never know. I did another print just earlier, the same identical one, and I did not have the issue, but this one I did. So we do have this mess right here, so I'm going to pause the print and try to get rid of this. Ooh, almost got me. And I did not do anything any different from the last one. So I'm glad I caught it, because it was about ready to become a mess. But as you can see, it did almost have a pretty bad failure right there. And a lot of that filament is what you're seeing off of this one that I printed. But yeah, just keep an eye on your filament, because you might actually have some major issues. Whew, got lucky.